guys. What are we doing today? Nothing really. Got no plans. Shit. We don't ride with jewelry. So what are we doing today, guys? So maybe I'll start with the reason why I don't like to wear rings when I ride is I've seen a few things. After somebody crashes, they're pretty much okay, but their ring has compressed around their finger, and then they need to go to the hospital and have them cut off. And if you don't make it there fast enough, you could lose your finger. So I do not like to ride with rings and things. Not a chance that I would like to take. I'd be harder to pull my levers with no fingers. So what are we doing today? Yeah, I have no actual plan. Might stop, take a couple of pictures. I was actually thinking, I mean, we just lifted a few restrictions, but not too many. It might be a good time to go down to Detroit and get some photos down there. Should have brought my heated jacket. I think a little extra heat underneath this right now would be fucking awesome, especially around my neck. Oh, that's lovely. They're building another massive building. This town is really growing. That building's fairly new. I think what I'm missing right now of the heated jacket the most is the heated collar, the part that goes around my neck. Like, that is just like, oh my god, so awesome. So I don't know about where you guys live, but like, I'm in Michigan, and we are like 3rd or 4th like top state for infections. Things here have been pretty strict. They just lifted a couple of restrictions. I mean, for the most part, unless they are 100% essential, groceries, gas, car repair shops, that's about it. For the most part, everything here has been closed. Traffic has been really nothing. Today there's actually quite a bit of traffic in comparison to what I've been seeing in the... What am I feeling? I feel something weird. You know what? I think that's just the tires. And I've been thinking about this for a while. So really, I would like to do a question and answers vid. So I guess we're going to do that right now. What do you guys want to know? What do you want to know about me or my bike life or my opinions? So we're going to make this a question and answers vid. Ask me anything you want. Put it in the comments below. And I will do another video answering these questions. Might be on the bike, might be off the bike. I guess I'm not sure yet. How am I only at 159 degrees? I never ride when it's this cold though either. But that's not a normal running temp of my bike, 159. I'm still taking it really easy because this is the second time, although the last time I rode my bike was like a month ago. This is only the second time that I've ridden my bike this year. I'm trying to take it really easy. Actually, I think before the season ended, the last time I was on my bike was in early September because of the fairing issue. So let's see, early September. I pretty much didn't ride in September. September, October. Well, no, did I? I might have. When the fuck was AIMExpo? There we go. Now the temp is up. I haven't ridden my bike since before the AIMExpo. I did ride down at the AIMExpo. They gave me a Triumph 675. That was pretty nice. Not quite enough oomph for me, but it was a fun little bike. So let's see. We got like September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. I mean, it's been almost 9 fucking months since I've ridden my bike. It's been a while. I don't get that many good months here. The weather is so fucking cold all the time. I can't really ride in the lower 50s. I just get too cold, I start shaking, and then my whole body hurts and I can't make the shaking stop, which is a stage of hypothermia. I don't seem to retain body heat well. I do have a heated jacket. I failed to bring it with me today. I really wish I would have. Oh wow, you got some bikes out there now, don't you? Well, it must be the way that I'm heading that it's just getting more cold air. Because here we got the temp dropping again. Back to question and answers. Yes, yes, yes. Ask me stuff. Comment below. Ask me whatever you want. It can be bike life related. It can be regular life related. I've been wanting to get to a point to incorporate a bit more of, I guess, my daily life into my vlogs. Let me know how you guys feel about me incorporating more of my daily life. And like I said, if there's anything you want to know, feel free to ask. I'll do another video to answer all these questions in the near future. Looks like they have some fun with that thing. It is cold though. I fucking hate these tires. They like make my whole bike vibrate in a weird way. Funny though, because I've heard nothing but good things about these tires from other people, but I don't have those same feelings. I'm so worried about sand and gravel right now. It is not even funny. Oh, my hands are so numb. My hands have to be re-broken in after this many months. And I hate to even really count April, and I've ridden my bike twice. I mean, does that even really fucking count? Feel free to ask me about my bike or my gear. Curious to know what you guys are interested to know yourself. I should have brought more batteries for that camera. I'm not all the way set up for motor vlogging just yet. I don't have my SD cards on me. I don't have extra batteries. I gotta get my shit together, don't I?